As PiNetwork approaches its final milestone towards open mainnet, the Pioneer community eagerly anticipates the promising future of the Pi wallet in the post-open mainnet era. According to the roadmap shared by the Pi core team, the Pi wallet is set to undergo significant upgrades once open mainnet is launched. These improvements include refining the QR code functionality, simplifying payments for local commerce. Additionally, the transfer of Pi balances from the mining app to the mainnet will be expedited, ensuring a smoother and more efficient experience for users. Integration with mobile wallets. A seamless future. One of the most anticipated enhancements is the integration of the Pi wallet into native mobile wallets. This innovation aims to make accessing and using Pi for local commercial transactions easier, more convenient, and entirely seamless. Such a step will likely propel the adoption of Pi as a practical daily payment method, further strengthening its real-world utility. PiNetwork's vision for the Pi wallet reflects the ongoing demand for frictionless, decentralized financial tools. By integrating with mobile platforms, the Pi wallet aspires to become an everyday necessity for users, whether for small-scale purchases at local markets or larger transactions within global commerce. Features shaping the future of Pi wallet. Beyond these foundational improvements, pioneers have expressed their hopes for a range of advanced features that would truly position the Pi wallet as a next-generation financial tool. These potential additions include multi-asset functionality, supporting multiple digital assets within a single wallet, offering versatility for users in a growing cryptocurrency ecosystem. Advanced security measures, incorporating cutting-edge encryption and fraud prevention to ensure the safety of user funds and transactions. Market analysis tools, providing real-time insights and data-driven financial analysis to help users make informed decisions. With these features, the Pi wallet could emerge as a comprehensive financial management platform, not just for Pi transactions, but also for broader engagement with digital assets in the evolving global market. Nearing implementation, progress, and milestones. While these enhancements are slated for the post-open mainnet phase, their implementation seems closer than ever. The Pi core team's focus on achieving open mainnet goals has been marked by significant progress, particularly with the continued improvements in the KYC Know Your Customer system. This progress indicates that Pi wallet upgrades may soon become a reality. The increasing efficiency of the Pi wallet and its growing suite of features align perfectly with PiNetwork's overarching mission to create an accessible, decentralized digital economy. The open mainnet will serve as the gateway to unlocking Pi wallet's full potential, allowing pioneers worldwide to seamlessly manage and spend their Pi balances across various use cases. The road ahead, a revolution in digital payments. Looking ahead, the future of Pi wallet stands as a beacon of innovation within the digital payment landscape. By prioritizing user experience, security, and advanced capabilities, Pi wallet has the potential to revolutionize how individuals interact with their finances. Whether through simplified local commerce, cross-border transactions, or integration with emerging financial technologies, Pi wallet is set to play a pivotal role in shaping the decentralized economy of tomorrow. The journey toward open mainnet represents a significant turning point, not just for PiNetwork, but also for the millions of pioneers who have been part of this vision from the beginning. With the Pi wallet as a central component, the transition from test phases to real-world utility marks an exciting and transformative era for PiNetwork and its global community. Conclusion. The Pi wallet is undoubtedly a cornerstone of the PiNetwork ecosystem. With ambitious plans for enhancements and the potential for groundbreaking features, it promises to deliver a modern, secure,